look around carefully. You will see people driving expensive cars. But appearances can be dangerously misleading. Welcome to the Wealth Blueprint. If you understand this lesson deeply, an asset is something that puts money into your pocket. A liability is something that takes money out of your pocket. Will this produce income in the future? Modern society rewards appearance. True wealth is often invisible. Friend A earns $5,000 every month. Friend B earns $2,500 every month. Ten years pass. Assets can continue working when you are not working. This is the transition from active income to passive income. 70% for living expenses. Buy assets first. Upgrade your lifestyle second. I'll start investing when I earn more. The first goal is becoming someone who regularly acquires assets. Imagine teaching a child one rule. Generational wealth is rarely created by a single dramatic event. Every purchase is a vote for your future. Is this building my future, or consuming my future? If this episode changed the way you think about money,